Sunday, July 5th. Currently making my way to Benizuru Pancake to see if I can get a 10 a.m. reservation. Let's see if we can get it. Alright guys, we were able to reserve a spot at the Benizuru Pancake House. We got the time 10:30. You gotta be back by 10:20. It's gonna be 2 dishes for 2 people. You gotta put down $1,000 per person to reserve your spot. At this place, it's very exclusive. They only serve 100 per day. So it's really hard to get because a lot of people enjoy these fluffy pancakes over at this spot. See you guys later. Alright guys, we made it back to the Benizuru Pancake House. This is for our 10:30 reservation. This is where they have the viral fluffy pancakes. But we're going to go inside in just a little bit because it's not exactly our time yet. But we are here to get that reservation that we made here. We're going to eat a lot. So this is the menu, guys, for the actual pancakes here. We got the original honey and butter, the bacon and eggs with original hollandaise sauce, chocolate and roasted nut, banana, grapefruit, and custard sauce, red beans, and black sugar solution with matcha and kanako powder. And the seasonal is the orange and mascarpone with vanilla ice cream. You can actually get a bunch of different toppings like butter, honey, vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, custard sauce, chocolate sauce, the original hollandaise sauce, roasted nut, rum, raisin cream, pink grapefruits, roasted banana, fried eggs, there's 2 eggs, bacon, and today's fruit, which would be orange. And you have your drinks down here, your coffee, your tea, your milk, your cafe latte, and your fresh juice, as well as a beer and asahi, which is probably what I'm gonna get, and glass wine, white or red. Then you can see the samples of what they got look like over here. You got the chocolate nut banana up there, you got the egg and bacon right there. I think that's like the strawberry there, and then that's the red beans and black sugar. They're inside there, inside actual venues, waiting for the bacon and eggs and pancakes. Hey guys, we're inside Benizuru Pancake House. Now we're just waiting for them to cook our bacon and eggs and pancakes. We're just right over there to my left. This is actually the seat right next to me where Justin Bieber actually sat coming in here. There's autograph actually on that wall to my left over there. We're just getting started. We're waiting for our food to be placed right here in front of us so that we can have a great breakfast. Super dry asahi, which is like their version of Corona, which gets you would say, but this is actually way better. I actually like this a lot more than I like that Corona stuff. Alright guys, we just got our food. We got the bacon and eggs and pancakes right there with honey and butter. I got the beer, the acai, got some pink Himalayan salt, black pepper and syrup there. We got each the same thing, got pineapple juice and water as well. About to dig right into this right here. It's gonna be so good. Best pancake I've ever had. Some good stuff. Everything is fantastic.